How to fix Ticketmaster, pardon the interruption. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. If you are facing an issue with your Ticketmaster, first and foremost, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch it to your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. Once you have made sure of it, now moving on to the next step, press and hold on to your application to head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next is to open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Ticketmaster in the search bar. Now in here, tap on your application and update your application if there is any update available, or uninstall the application and reinstall it later. This will help with the bug and the glitch issue. Next step is to open up your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap on All Apps. In the search icon, search for Ticketmaster. It is an alternative way to force stopping and clearing up the cache of your application. While you are in your phone setting, head back and locate the option of System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of Ticketmaster. Additionally, make sure you are not connected to any of the VPN connection. If you are, simply disable it and try again by launching your Ticketmaster. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in.